Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to update Duolingo on your device, step by step if you are using Duolingo on desktop. You don't need to update as the website updates itself. If you're on phone Android or iOS, it's pretty similar. Go to Play Store or App Store, go to search bar and search for Duolingo. Tap on Duolingo and update if there are any update available. But in my case, it's already updated to the latest version. Keeping the app updated ensures you have the best experience and access to all the latest lesson. And that's it, you have successfully updated Duolingo. For more quick app tips, check our next DelftStack tutorial video.